End of row. Made it here. Haven't been here. I don't think I've been here at all this entire trip. Have I? Not sure. Anyways, great day of riding. Couple belts blown. Had a stick in a tire, but other than that, it's really been a good day. We're going to go eat some pizza. They got some pretty good pizza at this place. It's like there's Daddy's, and across from it, there's a pizza place inside of this store. They got good pizza. You got Miles. You want some pizza, buddy?
I got my hands full, babe.
Oh.
I'm a little overfull here. I just need some help getting him warm and stuff. Huh. Well, I don't know. Is it cold? Or do you think he's okay? Or bring his socks or
I don't know. Let's go eat some food. Where's your shoes at, bro? Oh, no. You got no socks or shoes? Got ice cream cone. You like it? He likes the ice cream cone. Say Miles likes ice cream. I don't blame him because I like ice cream. Although me and Krista have like killed a lot of the sugar out of our lives, so we don't do a lot of sugar anymore. But
ice cream is like it's a delicious treat. You can't go wrong with ice cream.
Yep.
And this is soft serve, like a Wendy's Frosty.
Yeah.
And it is quite delicious, isn't it, Miles?
this place over here, they got like pizza, hamburgers, hot dogs. Well, I don't know hot dogs, chicken sandwiches. I got wings. They got a lot of stuff here. They have cheesecake. This is gonna be my cheat. Let's look at the grams of sugar on here.
You already ate this whole ice cream cone. What do you mean that's your cheat?
Jesus, there's 25 grams of sugar in here.
Well, good. Then you can split it in half. So then we're only having 12 grams of sugar.
Yeah.
Since you just ate half, I didn't even get a single bite of that cone.
I only ate 3 bites of that cone. Miles ate all of them.
Yeah. Oh. You laughing at yourself?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. It is the 2nd of January. It's Friday. Some people have left. Matt Tracy, my buddy Dougie Fresh, he left. A couple other people did, but we're gonna head out to the swing set. Me and Jack are. They're over there working on a transmission or something, and it's too pretty of a day. It's the first freaking pretty day where we can actually go out. So I'm gonna throw a camera on Jack's car, and we're gonna go out and have some fun. to the swing set, guys. And as always, there's a lot of people here. January 2nd, like I said, second day of the new year. Check out all this. I meant to bring my freaking drone with me and I completely forgot it's in the Jeep. But Chris is gonna meet me at the drag, so hopefully I can catch some cool stuff at the drags with the drone. And then, yeah, man, it's just me and Jack. Sometimes when you take a little less people with you, there's less to worry about, less people that are gonna break. So we just came over here to hang out for a few. Then we're gonna go to the drags. We're gonna meet Baby Miles and Krista. I don't know if my mom's gonna go with them or not. And just hang out at the drags for a little bit, and then we're gonna catch a sunset. We need a sunset, a pretty sunset. Look, sun set down there. And you can actually see it today, which makes it really cool. Oh, yeah.
Mommy with the chalkboard? Yeah? Look at all the places, Miles. We've got Glamis, and the Mint 400, Little Sahara, St. Anthony's, Invasion, Coos Bay Takeover, the Umatilla National Forest. I forgot about that one. Huh. What else? Winchester Bay for Takeover. More St. Anthony's. Winoka, Oklahoma for Invasion. Sand Hollow Takeover and Glamis. And now we gotta erase this. Can you help mommy erase this? So we can start for 2026. 2025 is all done. Okay, let's wipe it off fast.
Mom.
What do you see? Oh, your balloon? Yeah, well, it had to get deflated. Here, you gotta wipe the board. No, are you blowing your nose? Okay, we gotta get it clean. Oh, you just threw it on the ground. You wanna do it? You go wipe it off. Wipe it off. You need to redo a layer of chalk. Might have to like wet it. Okay, it's mostly clean, you guys. So it's cleaned off for now. Oh, babe. Okay, you guys, the chalkboard is at least blank. Miles is not happy, but we'll get 2026 rolling. I promise that I will provide a chalkboard filled out update for 2026. But I gotta take care of Miles now. So he's not happy, he's tired. It's past bedtime. We'll see you in the next video.
Daddy.